are you today? This is Teacher Miriam. I'm with Aunt Stella and Uncle Richard.
Good morning, big class, Nakuru and Bugolobi. How are you doing? I hope you're fine. I'm also fine, though missing you.
I'm also fine. Uncle Richard, Nakuru and Bugolobi, how are you doing? Are you ready for Tambira Jehovah? Iyelele, iyele, iyelele, iyele, Tambira Jehovah.
Yelele, yelele,
Iyelele,
yelele. Who can dance better than me?
This is the call from the mountain of God. Tambira, Tambira, to come with thanksgiving and joy in our hearts. Tambira, Tambira, this is the call. This is the call from the mountain of God. Tambira, Tambira, to come with thanksgiving and joy in our hearts. Tambira, Tambira, let's go to street with light. Let's go to bed and sing. It's celebration time. For that time to dance has come. Tambira Jehovah, Tambira, come on. Tambira, Tambira Jehovah, Tambira Jehovah, Tambira, Tambira, Tambira Jehovah, Tambira Jehovah, Tambira, Tambira, Tambira Jehovah, Tambira, Tambira Jehovah, Tambira Jehovah, Tambira Jehovah, Tambira Jehovah, Tambira Jehovah, yelele, 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 Tambira, let's go, yelele, 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 so down, arms to the Lord, come let's dance to the Lord, come let's dance to the Lord, come let's dance to the Lord, let's dance to the Lord, come let's dance to the Lord, yelele, 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 oh, come let's dance to the Lord, yelele, 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 come let's dance to the Lord. Baka down and baka chini.
Auntie Miriam, go down.
Aunt Stella, go down.
Uncle Richard, now good.
That's Uncle Richard. Well, children, I think you have enjoyed the song. Yes, we are back with numbers this time. Aunt Stella,
Yes, Auntie Miriam.
yes.
Yes, numbers, just to know we are going to do oral counting. We look at different numbers that we taught you, and then after we show you what we are going to do in numbers, isn't it, Auntie Miriam?
Yes, that is it.
So we are going to first
Count.
yes. And are you ready to count with us?
From 1 to
50.
1 to 50.
Mm-hmm.
The children, I think by this time you know how to count.
Mm-hmm. Okay, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. 1 up to 50. Well, Aunt Stella, we looked at all the numbers from 1 up to
20.
yes. And then we have counted
Yes.
from 1 up to
20.
Now,
Though,
yes.
Aunt Miriam, we looked at those numbers from 1 up to 20.
Yes.
Not all of them still remember how to write numbers 1 up to 20. So that means we have to go back from 1 up to 20 to remind them how we write those numbers.
Okay. So we start with number.
Which number should we start with?
I'm sure they know how to write number 1.
Oh.
That one is just a stick down.
Just a stick down.
That one they know.
And how do we write number 6? A forward curve and a downward
curve.
How
How do we write number 5?
Number 5 is a dash, a stick down, and an open mouth.
How about number 3?
Number 3, it's a curve and another curve.
How about
Number 8.
number 8?
Number 8, you write from the head down to the tummy. You go back to the
Head.
Number 9. How do we
Yes.
write number 9? You write a stick down, go back up in the same stick, and then you write a ball.
Okay. Now when we get to number 9, we have number. Have we finished all the numbers here?
No.
Oh, there is
How do we write number 4?
number 4?
Write a stick down, a
stick
dash,
and a stick in the middle.
yes.
How do we write number
2. Just write a curve
and a dash? How
Very
do we
easy.
write number 7?
Number 7.
Yes.
That must be very easy, children, isn't it?
You start with
A dash and a stick.
Wow. Now we have all the numbers here from 1 to 9.
Are you sure, Auntie Miriam?
Yes.
Let's say 1, 2, 3,
3,
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And from number 9, which number do we go to, Auntie Miriam?
Well, should we go back and count again? We
No,
don't
we
need to.
We have counted.
We have counted up to 9.
9.
So from 9 you go to number 10.
Children, how do we write number 10? Remember we said when you reach number 10, there are 2 numbers. Let's say a 0 and a 1. But when you're writing number 10, you first write a 1 as the driver and then a 0
as the
passenger. Let's say 1 and then a 0. And that is number 10.
Now from number 10,
Yes.
we continue with number
11. Remember, when you reach number 10, that means you're going to be writing two
numbers. Yes.
And we said 1 is the
Driver.
So you write a 1 and a 1.
That's number
12. Oh, number 11.
And 1 and
Ah,
a 1.
Miriam, yeah, I thought it was number 12.
Oh, but I know what you are doing. You are tricking the children to see if they know.
Yes, Auntie Miriam. So from number 11, which number do we go to, children?
Yes, 11,
12. How do we write number 12? It's a 1 and a 2. 10, 11, 12, 13. How do we write number 13? We write a 1 and a 3.
Number 13.
10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How do we write number 14? write a 1 and a 5.
Wow.
Mhm.
Then from 15, we go to
16. Write a 1 and a
6. Then 15,
16,
17.
Do we write number 17 like this, Auntie Miriam?
No, that's not 17.
This is very
Wrong.
wrong.
Remember we said 1 is supposed to be the
Driver.
driver.
That means
Yes.
1 is supposed to be
The
in
front.
front here. Then you write 7.
So 15, 16, 17,
18. Then you write a 1 and a 8. Mhm.
So we have reached 18.
Mhm.
Children, what is the next number?
Number. What could that be? Could it be 21?
No.
Could it be 19?
19 because it's 17.
18, 19. That means you write here a 1 and a 9.
We have reached 19.
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
We've reached 20.
Auntie Miriam,
Yes.
do we write number 20 like this? Because you said 1 is the driver.
No.
Mm-hmm.
When the driver stops at 19.
Oh.
So when we get to 20,
Mhm.
2 becomes the driver.
2 becomes the driver. That
Yes.
means I rub away this
Yes.
1. And when I'm writing number 20, I first write a 2, and then I put a 0, and then it becomes 20. Okay.
And if you want to continue with the other numbers,
Yes.
2 drives all the other numbers.
Let's say 21. You write a 2 first as the driver,
And
then
then
a 1.
22,
Mhm.
to the driver, and a
2.
23, to the driver, and a 3. Like that until you reach 29.
9.
Then when you reach 29,
Mhm.
3
Becomes
becomes
the
the
driver.
driver. Because you have reached 30. Yes, and Stella.
So what do we have for this children, Auntie Miriam?
Well, today,
Mhm.
like the other time we did the missing numbers. Also today we have our work missing numbers.
So this time round, Auntie Miriam,
Yes.
so it's about filling the missing numbers, but we are going to just cut. We are not going to write. You're going to look for the missing number, then you look for it over here, and then you cut
Cut
it,
it out.
then you stick. Let's say here we have 2, 3, 4, 5. But number 1 is missing. That means Auntie Miriam is going to look for number 1 down here. She cuts it and then later we stick it.
Okay, number,
1.
is this number 1?
No.
No.
Number 1 is a stick down.
So I look for a stick down, number 1, and I cut it out. Number 1, cut.
Mhm.
I cut it out.
Mhm.
Number
1.
Then I get my glue. Oh, fantastic. I put, and then I bring my number 1 and I stick it where it's supposed to go. Number 1.
Wow.
So we have
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing.
So you get your scissor.
Can I help you, Auntie
Yes,
Miriam?
please. Look for number 6.
Is this number 6?
No, and Stella.
This one?
No.
This one?
Yes.
So I'm going to cut out my number 6.
Number 6.
Properly then. after cutting it out, Auntie Miriam, and then I would fantastic here. After putting fantastic, then I put it here. No.
Count
Here.
and you see where it is.
Oh,
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means I'm going to fix my number 6 here.
Then we count again, and then you find the next, the
Number.
missing number. But I think that they can do that for
Yes,
themselves.
Miriam.
You look for the missing number, cut it out, and then stick it where it is supposed to go. But to find that number, you first count.
Don't
You
forget
first
to count.
Yes.
That's what we have for you. See you next time. Bye.